Neil, we're here in Bridgnorth at the marches. What's your involvement?
So we're the official legal partner for the March Centre of Manufacturing. Very excited. It's fantastic to be involved from sort of the early stages through to now where it's fully operational behind the doors behind you.
Here we do very much practical work, so it's all the filing, fitting, and it's the basics of engineering. And then when I go into work on Thursday, Friday, I apply all those skills that I know. So when I'm actually doing my job at Grainger Worrall, I use all the practical stuff I've used here. So like we use engineering endurances to do tolerances and use that and apply it in work. So they go hand in hand.
And it's for us, it's another extension of the support we give to the manufacturing sector. So whether it's altering Formula 3 cars or giving bursaries to engineering students, this is a great extension of that programme. It's our roots, so we've been around for 200 years. We've always been helping manufacturers, providing legal advice to them. And you're right, it is a big focus, it's a big part of our client base, and long may it continue.
Back in August 15, we got together the larger companies in the region, so it's the Caterpillars, the Doncasters, the Stadcos, and we all said, look, we want to grow both in scale in terms of our turnovers, and we want to grow in scope, which is our diversity. And we all want to do this, so how can we do it without just cannibalising each other and eating into each other's workforces?
I'm an electrical engineer apprentice, so building control panels for machines we also build down at AV Birch. I'm really enjoying it. Yeah, it's good.
So some of our technical partners in terms of the engineering technology groups, the Howdens in terms of the fluids, we've got filter mist, lots of technical specialists really getting on board. Even people like Hexagon now looking at launching a specific metrology apprenticeship this year. The classic car side, we're looking at launching a heritage course, and we've just written the course profile with JLR Classic. So really important to us. But also we've got the professional services come on board now. So FBC Manby Bowdler are supporting us with our legal work, but also supporting the SME and micro business to remove the barriers to growth. We want to just accelerate what we're doing in Shropshire, in the marches, but also on a national basis.